Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Whop. So let me take you to the website, which is whop.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Whop is a digital marketplace that helps creators and entrepreneurs sell memberships, digital products, and courses. The platform provides tools to manage payments, product delivery, and recurring income. It is ideal for users looking to monetize knowledge, content, or digital offers online. So, what you're waiting for, if you want to join them, go ahead and do that. You can explore their website, see how best suited they are for you. But that's not exactly why we are here. As usual, we are here to earn money from what? Possible? Of course it is. You simply join their affiliate program, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them or the buyers, you end up getting commission. So affiliates of which country can join the affiliate program and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission. No restrictions found. Regardless of your country as an affiliate or the country of your consumers, you can start promoting them and when you bring sales to them, you end up getting commission. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to their affiliate program page. Don't worry, I'm going to mention this link in the video description. So once you're here on the affiliate program page, you would be able to see more details about them. You can say, as an affiliate, you would earn 30% commission by default on every purchase made through your referral link. Well, that's not all. You would earn up to 70% commission, and we're going to talk about it later. And then the other things as well, you might want to explore anything that isn't covered in this video. You can come to this page and try to find the answer of it. Now, let's say you want to join the affiliate program. For that, you may click on this hyperlink, which you would be able to see here, the WOP affiliate program. When you do that, it will take you to this page. Over here, you can enter your email address or complete the sign up using your Google account, Apple account, or Discord. I'm going to go with Google. In your case as well, you can choose the account, the kind of account you want, choose your email address, and proceed further. After the successful authentication, it will take you to the affiliate dashboard. In between, it might ask you to give your full name, your date of birth, your phone number, and the address so you can give those details and proceed further. Once here, then what? Then you can start finding different buyers that you could end up promoting. To find these buyers, you can click on affiliate marketplace. From here, it will take you to the marketplace. Over here, you will be able to see different companies with the industry type, how much commission rate they are offering, affiliate earnings, conversion, earning per clicks, conversion rate, and other details. Now, let's say if you're interested to promote a company that provides higher commission rate, you would have to search manually. So you might want to turn the show option to 50. And let's try to find a company. I'm going to go to page number 4. And over here, I see crypto mindset VIP service. So let's say if I want to promote them, of course, I want to see more details. So I click on the row, same way you can find a company that you want to promote, you want to get commission from. You click on their row and over here, you can see details. And if you want to see the product available by them or you want to see more details, you click on view product, which will take you to their profile page on Whop. Over here, you'll be able to find review given on the product. And if you scroll down, you can see these products available along with how much they cost. You can go to the right to see all the available product by that specific company. And if you want to promote the product of that company, you can simply click on become an affiliate instead of your product. What it will do, it will send the application. You will automatically get approved. As you can see, successfully join affiliate program. Like this, you can also find the company with the industry type that you prefer. So let's say you're looking for a company that is into fitness industry type. So you search for fitness. As you can see, these are the fitness companies at 7 in total. Let's say you're interested to promote Empower Fit Academy. You can click on the row item. Again, you'll see the details. You can click on view product to see all the products available. Click on become an affiliate and you become part of their affiliate program. So once you have done it, you can click on back and over here you would be able to see your approved affiliate program, basically the company that you found and you showed interest in. Once approved, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you need tracking links and you need tracking links to the products available or offered by them. So for that, let's say you want to promote Empower Fit Academy with 40% commission. You click on the view assets, and then it will take you to the products available for you to promote. Over here, you can see this is just company details, but if you promote 30-day home workout kickstart, you'll be able to get 50% on the price, $19.99. So to promote them, you can simply copy this link and you can share it with your audience, with your traffic. You can also integrate it at the back end of your website or blog. So if someone would click on it, you see this is how the link would look. But the moment they'll click on it, it will take them to this page and they can buy from here. And in return, you get commission. So this is how you can again come to the reverse buy. You'll be able to see your approved affiliate programs. You can see the assets and you can start promoting them. So you learn how to find different companies within WOP that are best suited for you, how to get their tracking link. But the next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you feel like the company is best suited to be there on your website, maybe on the homepage, on the category page, start promoting them there. Blog could be great here because you could write blog posts about different digital products available at WOB and put your tracking link somewhere within your blog post. This could work in your favor as well. Social media, which seems like a third option and could be good here as well, because you could create different content. You could create videos, reels, posts, and put your tracking link somewhere within the description or the comment. This way, when people would consume your content, if they like it, they like the product, they'll buy and you get commission. Fourth way is digital product website. Now, let's say as an affiliate, you got digital product website. People come to these kind of website to explore different products that are digitally available, correct? So you might want to explore WOP extensively, see what kind of digital products are best suited for your website, and maybe create a category on your product website and feature these products available at WOP on your digital product website. This could work in your favor. So here we learn how to promote or where to promote WOP. Then the question arises, how do you get traffic? How do you get more audience which would be interested in these digital products by WOP or the buyers of WOP? For that, there are top three traffic sources that I feel like are best suited for WOP or the products. One way is YouTube. Maybe you create content on your YouTube channel, and through your content, you can empower people to visit your website or any of the online presence where basically you're promoting WOP products. SEO blogs would be the second option here. Let's say you have blogs, so you want to create these blog posts, keeping SEO in mind. That will drive more traffic, and of course, these audience will convert into an actual sale, and you get commission. Third way is Twitter or X. So you could also stay active on Twitter and create content or create tweet and drive more traffic to your online sources where you're basically promoting the digital products of WOP. So these are some of the top traffic sources that could help you bringing more traffic to your online presence, which in return will help you in conversion and getting bringing more sales to WOP, and in return you get more commission. So let's say you started bringing sales to WOP. How would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the affiliate dashboard once again. Over here, you can click on dashboard, and here you can select the company you want to see the performance for. You can select the date range here, and then you would be able to see the gross amount, commission type, company, user, and created that date. So all the information will be available here. Then how would you receive this commission? That's the another question. For that, you would be able to see on the top right hand side over here, you would be able to see the commission that you can initiate to withdraw. So to receive the commission, you can click on the section where you'll see the amount. Then it might ask you to get started with Meet WOP Finance. So you can click on get started. In case if you're getting this option, you can click on add new passkey and add a passkey for security. I'm going to create it since I haven't created so far. In your case, if it asks you to do so, please do that. Once the passkey is created or authenticated, you will be able to see your total balance, and here it will be the same amount as you see on the top right hand side within the amount section. Over here, you can click on withdraw and initiate the commission to be received via direct deposit to your bank account. Alright, so this is how you can promote the products of different company or buyers available at WOP and you get commission. But what if you want to bring sellers to WOP and in return want to get commission. Is it possible? Of course it is. For that, you simply have to go to affiliates on the left hand side once again, and over here you can click on refer sellers, and once here you can click on apply to be a partner. So at this stage you are not applying to any company or buyer available at WOP. You're directly applying to WOP to bring sellers to them. And to apply, simply click on join wait list. From here it will ask you what is your primary social username. Wherever you plan to promote them, the social media account, you can mention your social handle here. And then how do you plan on onboarding new creators for WOP? So whatever your planning is, ensure right here. This is gonna be helpful for you to get approval from WOP affiliate program team. Then, have you referred any sellers to WOP yet? Yes and no. Just choose the answer, followed by that, click on continue. When you do that, it will check for your region and will confirm whether the affiliate program is available in your region. If not, you will get this error message, but if it yes, it will send your application to the WOP affiliate program team. They could review and they could approve. Once you have been approved, then you can start promoting them, of course, by going to affiliates again and to the seller section, refer seller section. And you would also be able to get link, and like how we discussed for refer buyers, you could also take the link from refer sellers and start bringing sellers to WOP, and you could earn up to 25% commission. That's generous. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of WOP. You sign up for that, you start promoting them, or start promoting the products of the buyer, you start bringing sales to them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of WOP. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow and if you want to learn more, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. There are free resources as well as the premium resources. You'll find them in the video description. Simply click on those resources and avail the one that you like. And apart from it, if you got any other question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.